Hi guys, let's have a snacks. Very simple snacks and very delicious. Strawberries, persimmon fruits. This is very sweet, my favorite. And biscuits. With a cup of coffee. It's very hot coffee. This is very good for the cold weather in Awan, Jordan. Thank you for watching guys. Love you all. Kain po tayo guys. This is persimmon guys. Yung iba guys, alam mo kumain ito guys. Kinukuha nila yung balat. Pero ako guys hindi. Amo ko nga. Kinakain pati yung balat. Malinis naman. More of vitamins ito guys. So yummy guys. Ito ang laman niya guys. Yung iba, yung balat, kinukuha ito yung skin. Pero kinakain ko guys kasi malinis naman ito. Amo ko nga kinakain niya guys. So yummy. Very healthy snack. Kung palagi ka kumakain ng fruits guys, the glowing skin and make beautiful. So yummy. My favorite.